If you're a content creator or just someone who deals with large files, storage isn't optional, it's essential. And that's why I picked up the Seagate BarraCuda 8TB internal hard drive. I've been running it on my Windows 11 setup through a Sabrent dual bay docking station, and honestly, the setup couldn't have been easier. Windows recognized it instantly, formatting was quick, and it's been running smooth since day one. Now this model runs at 5400 RPM with a 256 megabyte cache. It's not an SSD, but for mass storage, backups, or video archives, that trade-off makes sense. You're getting tons of space and a drive that's built for reliability. I've been moving my raw 4K video files, project folders, and entire production backups over to it, and it hasn't skipped a beat. Transfers are consistent, no lag spikes, and it runs cool inside the dock. Seagate's BarraCuda line has been around for years, and I've had good success with them. I've got older models still running strong, and this one feels like it's built in the same dependable way. If you're trying to organize your creative workflow, this kind of drive is perfect for secondary storage, archiving old projects, or even serving as a backup library. So far, it's been fast, quiet, and affordable. Exactly what I needed to keep my media business running efficiently. Whether you're a content creator like me or just looking to expand your desktop storage, the Seagate 8TB drive delivers a ton of value.